Great announcement here at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025 for the Italian company TecnoPack Group. We'll find out more with the CEO, Corrado Pozzer. Great announcement here at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. The TecnoPack Group has opened a new branch in the USA.
First of all, let me say welcome, Sonia, to TecnoPack booth here in the Gulfood. I'm happy to stay with you finally. Last day of the exhibition, talking about something just happened for TecnoPack in the United States. We recently opened a new facility in close to Chicago. We have a space of about 500 square meters there, and we have 3 technicians actually working there plus 1 manager. And we take profit in this moment where we have a lot of business running in the United States to open this facility, which was really a request by our customers.
It is an important news because it means that the TecnoPack Group keep growing.
Yeah, we are growing and we do not want to stop. And this step in the United States is something that we are thinking about since, let me say, even before COVID. We restarted 1 year ago and we found the right place. We have a partner close to us. We are working with them. Partner is TDI. So we create a network to sell our equipment there together with them. And we have also the possibility to be supported by them in case of something we need to do locally. So I would like to say is a first step to be really 100% present in North America.
Well, let's go deeply in your packaging solutions. You have enriched during the year your range of solutions. What is it, ATL?
ATL, I smile because this is the last step of our business on the packaging field. So this is a system prepared for the logistics center. Together with pallet, when you have a pallet, you have to put the pallet somewhere. This is ATL, Automatic Truck Loading. So we are ready today with this application to pick automatically 1 pallet from anywhere in your factory going straight inside the truck. The application is prepared to load pallet 1 by 1 in case the pattern pallet inside the truck is particular. If they are lined, we can load 3 pallets by 800 or 2 pallets by 1200. Why 3 or 2? Simple. It's because if you load 3 or 2, you go faster than to load only 1 by 1.
Got it. Do you think that we could see this solution physically at the next Interpack 2026?
Right now you want to joke because something is under discussion in this moment. I'm checking also because I believe you can imagine there are a lot of things related to the security. But it looks like we are finding a solution to have a space in the next Interpack Book 2026 to see in reality what we do with the ATL.
Let's come back to Gulfood Manufacturing. You are used to be at this event. What do you think about this edition?
2025 is, let me say, another one. I was joking with someone during these days. I said, we invented Gulfood Manufacturing because we were here before Gulfood Manufacturing, when Gulfood was Gulfood. And I have seen personally year by year this exhibition growing, and this 2025 edition, in my opinion, is one of the best I have seen because a lot of people, but mainly a lot of people really interested for important projects.
So Corrado, we are used to meet each other around the world, but the main appointment for us, I suppose, will be Interpack 2026.
This one is the first one a little bit far from COVID, so I expect the world will be back in Germany. So we have a lot of expectation for the next Interpack. We are already working to prepare the right equipment. As I told you, ATL is one, but we have a lot of new ideas. We are investing a lot in new technology. And of course, Interpack is the right show to present what we
Of
are
course.
doing day by day in TecnoPack Group.
Yes, great expectation also here. So the appointment with you and with TecnoPack Group will be at Interpack. Thank you so much to Corrado Pozzer. Thank you so much to TecnoPack Group.